Hello everyone, my name is Diana Leon. In this video I want to present the conditional exercise. If you study English hard, what will you do? If I study English very hard, I will understand all the songs that I like, watch movies without subtitles, and speak with other English speakers fluently. If you only had 24 hours to live, what would you do? If I only have 24 hours to live, I would all my savings. I could eat everything I like best, share with my family all the time. If I fail my English test, if I had studied more, I would have passed my test with a good grade. If I don't know the meaning of a word in English, what can I do? If I don't know the meaning of a word in English, I will use the dictionary. If you could be an animal, what animal could you be? If I were an animal, I would be a dog. If you hadn't studied this career, which other would you have studied and why? If I hadn't chosen the career, I could have chosen philosophy because I like it a lot of, and I think it's very important career in work time. If it rains tomorrow, what will you wear? If it rains, I will wear a very hot coat. What happens if your smartphone falls into the toilet? If my smartphone falls to the toilet, it will be damaged and I will have to go to the technician. If you could be invisible for a day, what would you do and why? If I could be invisible one day, I could make a lot of jokes to my relative. Babies cry if they are hungry, cold, or sick. It rained really hard yesterday and you could not do what you planned to do. If it had not rained, what would you have done? If it hadn't rained yesterday, I would have gone to the movies with my boyfriend. If you eat lots of fast food, what will happen? If I eat a lot of fast food, I will be very sick. Thank you very much.